Welcome to our channel. Adding a credit card to your PayPal wallet provides a convenient backup payment method and allows you to earn credit card rewards on PayPal purchases. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account at paypal.com using your email address and password. Step 2. Click on Wallet in the top navigation menu to access your PayPal wallet. Step 3. Click on Link a Card or Link a Credit or Debit Card button. Step 4. Select Credit Card as the type of card you're adding. Step 5. Enter your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code from the back of your card. Step 6. Provide the billing address associated with your credit card exactly as it appears on your credit card statement. Step 7. Review the information for accuracy and click Link Card to submit. Step 8. PayPal may charge a small temporary authorization to verify the card, typically $1 to $2, which will be refunded. Step 9. Check your credit card statement for the authorization amount and verify it in PayPal if prompted. Step 10. Once verified, your credit card appears in your PayPal wallet and can be used for purchases or set as your preferred payment method. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.